It was fast.
So I didn't notice the heat.
It's automatic and it just wraps itself around your hair.
Definitely the automatic piece is going to help me a lot.
They did it with one hand.
It looks fire, I think.
You could probably finish curling your hair in like 15 minutes.
Green light, red light.
I would gift one to my mom because she's always curling her hair.
I think I would gift it to my mom.
Definitely my friend Zoe.
Me.
I would gift one to my sister. I would like to gift it to my sister.
I'll gift it to my sister.
To my sister.
My mother and my sister.
Curl on, game on!